Hello everyone. In this video I am taking some more questions on this method, first method of factorization by taking out common factors. Here one question is given: x plus y into a plus b, x minus y into a plus b. So students, it is just like if we are given 3 into 2 plus 5 into 2. So here 2 is common. Here 2 is common. Same here, a plus b, a plus b. This bracket is common. So we will take out a plus b as common factor. So a plus b common factor. So whatever quotient is left, we will write in the other bracket. Here x plus y. X plus y is left, and when we divide this x minus y into a plus b by a plus b, we will get quotient plus x minus y. We will put this sign here, plus. So this is the quotient. Now we can solve this. A plus b. Now in this big bracket, remove these small brackets. You will get x plus y, because of this plus sign, no change of sign, plus x minus y. Here plus y and minus y cancelled out, and here x plus x, 2x is left. So a plus b into, in this bracket 2x is left, so we can write this as 2x into a plus b. These are the factors. Yes, here I am taking one more question. 4x into 3x minus 2y minus 2y into 3x minus 2y. Students, this expression is just like, for example, if we are taking the product of a plus b or 3x minus y. We are taking product and we know how to take the product. First term of first bracket is multiplied by second bracket, and then again second bracket is multiplied by the second term of the first bracket. This is the way to get the product. And you can see this step and this step. These both steps are same. So from here, how we get the common factors? One way is 3x minus 2y, 3x minus 2y, this bracket is common. We can take out this bracket, 3x minus 2y, and what is the quotient of the first term? Thus, when first term is divided by this common factor, we will get 4x as quotient, and when we divide the second term by this common factor, we will get minus 2y as quotient. Now from in this bracket, you can see in this bracket again we can take out 2. We can take out 2 as common factor. So finally we will get this. From this we can take out, you can write here or you can write here. 2 here or here. So better to write 2 here. So we are taking out 4x divided by 2. 2x is left, and minus 2y divided by 2 is minus y is left. So these are the factors of this algebraic expression. This step, you can write this step as you can write 4x minus 2y in the first bracket, like when we are taking the product, and the common bracket you can write at second place. Now from this bracket again you can take out 2 as common factor. You will get 2x minus y into this bracket. So you can solve this way or you can solve this way. These are the factors. So one more question. A plus 2b, 3a plus 2b. In this algebraic expression, we are given 3 terms. First term, second term and third term. And we know that only plus and minus sign separates the term. So that is why here we are given 3 terms. In the first term, 2 brackets given. Second term, 2 brackets. In the third term, again 2 brackets are given. A plus 2b whole square. Whole square means a plus 2b into a plus 2b. So that is why we can take one a plus 2b bracket as common factor. From the first term this bracket, second term, and from the third term we can take a plus 2b as common factor. Now we will write quotient in the second bracket. From this, what is left? This bracket. 2a plus 2b taking out as common factor. Now 3a plus b is left, and from the second term again when we divide this term by the common factor, the quotient is a plus b, and this minus sign here, a plus b, and in the third bracket this plus sign here. One bracket has been taken out, and now we are left with quotient a plus 2b in the third term. Now we can solve these brackets. A plus 2b, remove the small brackets, and then we will collect the like terms. Here minus sign, that is why we will change the sign of these terms. It becomes minus a, plus b becomes minus b. Here plus sign, no need to change the sign, plus a plus 2b. Now we will collect the like terms. A plus 2b in this bracket, plus a minus a cancelled out, minus b plus b cancelled out, and we are left with 3a plus 2b. So these are the factors, or you can write it as a plus 2b into 3a plus 2b. These are the factors of this given algebraic expression. So hope you got this method of factorization by taking out common factors. Thank you.